Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of the dress with square armholes and the bow. There are a lot of details in this dress, so I have a lot of things to show you. Let's start with the square armholes. Those who haven't watched how to make them yet, do it please. I've showed you the whole process very thoroughly, from changing the basic pattern to inserting sleeves. Now I'll show you how they look like. This is the square armhole. I've already showed you how to make it. Now have a look at the sleeve. It's kind of a one-piece sleeve. The sleeve head in this sleeve is like an irregular one, but the armhole is different. Such armholes are much more comfortable than regular ones. I strongly recommend making such sleeves. Of course, first you need to make it of modern fabric. Do not make it of silk without practicing. I want you to have a close look at sleeve and armhole. The second thing I want to show you is a stand collar which turns into a bow. I've showed you how to make a pattern for such bow. Have a close look at it. You can see that it fits me perfectly. This is where the seam ends, the one which is like a tuck. Here you can see a bow itself. You can tie such bow any way you like. There is a welt on the wrong side. Such details are very useful when you want to hide a belly. Such bows look good on anybody anyway. Next thing I want to show you is the tuck. I couldn't move it because of the bow. After the first fitting, I've understood that it was too big. I've divided it in two smaller tucks. You can see them here. The upper parts were stitched, and the lower parts turned into pin tucks. Have a look here. You can see that the dress fits me perfectly. My basic pattern made using my 10 measurement cutting system provides me with a perfect pattern. The tucks are the same on the other side. They turn into pin tucks. If I hadn't divided the tuck, the pin tucks wouldn't look good. Only small pin tucks look good. I've decided that this dress was too boring, so I've added circle frills on the sleeves and bottom. You can decorate any simple sleeve with such frill. They look amazing. I've decided that I would look like a brick in a straight dress, so I've also added frill to the bottom. I've decided where I wanted it to start and stitched to the dress on the needed level. This is also a circle frill. I think that it looks amazing. Have a look at the shoulder tuck. An item without a shoulder tuck won't fit you perfectly. There is no lining in this dress, so I wear it with an underdress. I have several ones of different colors and fabrics. They are very useful and convenient. You can add a zipper here in the side seam if you need. My amazing straight body doesn't require making zippers. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.